Hello, everybody. How how are you all? Hope you're having a lovely night. Sorrento came out with news today. Sorrento Therapeutics, and just like in my last video when I said how I had COVID, I took the Paxlovid, the Pfizer pills, Paxlovid, the antiviral, and it really helped me. And it looks like Sorrento released positive results from a phase 1b study in China for COVID-19 patients and is ready for pivotal phase 3 trials with, OVYDSO, STI 1558, an oral MPRO inhibitor as a standalone treatment for COVID-19 without the need for ritonavir boosting. And I wouldn't have known what that is if I hadn't have taken the Paxlovid, but the ritonavir, I had that. That's what I had to take too because of I think that's like the thing that so the drug doesn't break down quick in your liver or whatever, kidney, who knows, but you know what I'm saying. It's just something that helps the drug not break down easily. So you have to take ritonavir with the Paxlovid, but with this you don't have to. So let's read you the news. Top-line safety, antiviral effectiveness, and pharmacokinetic data from a phase 1b study in China are released from the single ascending dose portion of the study, with the doses from 300 milligrams to 2,000 milligrams in 32 healthy volunteers, and the multiple ascending dose portion of the study in 46 COVID-19 patients, with 300 milligrams BID, 600 milligrams BID, and 800 milligrams BID daily dosing for 7.5 days. Overall, STI 1558 was well tolerated at all doses tested, with most subjects in both the SAD and MAD portions of the study reporting no adverse events. There was no dose-limiting toxicity during the study. There were no severe or serious AEs, no premature discontinuations of STI 1558 due to an AE, and no deaths. Most AEs were mild, unrelated, and required no medical treatment. In the MAD portion of the study, COVID-19 patients treated with STI 1558 compared to placebo were found to have significant viral RNA load reductions on days 2, 4, and 6 post-treatment. At the recommended dose of 600 milligrams BID, a significant viral load reduction was seen on day 2 post-treatment, which indicates strong and early antiviral activity of STI 1558 in COVID-19 patients. The pharmacokinetics profile in this trial was very similar to the profile seen in the completed Australian phase 1 trial, potentially indicating that there are no ethnic differences in STI 1558 PK. In the China MAD portion of the study, the PK profile in patients was also similar to the healthy volunteers in the Australian phase 1 trial, with the tough concentrations and 508, 265, 431, and 518 significantly higher than the EC90 value in the cellular antiviral assays. This data, it says these data, but I think it means this data. This data confirms that adequate blood levels are achieved in COVID-19 patients without the need for ritonavir, a potent inhibitor, as a booster. Do I have... okay. Let me continue reading. After communication with the Chinese authorities, a phase 3 protocol in 1,200 COVID-19 patients has been submitted to the National Medical Products Administration of China. The phase 3 trial will be commenced soon in China, together with a planned U.S. phase 2 trial and a planned Mexico phase 2/3 trial. So this was This article was via Globe Newswire, and that looks promising because right now I guess all we have is the Paxlovid, which worked really well for me, and that's the only antiviral available under EUA. So if Sorrento could pull this off, that would be great. So let me know what you all think about Sorrento, even though it took a dive today. I think I'm not worried because, as long as you're average down and, whatever. All right. But have a great night, everybody. And let's hope we have a better day tomorrow with Sorrento. I think we will. All right. Bye-bye.